Greetings, fellow collectors. The Curio Hunter here. Welcome back to another episode. Tonight, we're opening up another pack from 2025 Pieces of the Past Pirates Edition. So, let's see what we get. Now, in this, there are 4 cards per pack and 1 relic per pack. So, our first card is a base card, and this is John Leadstone. The next one is Sir Henry Morgan, which I believe some people refer to as the Pirate King. Very nice. Again, these base set cards are just so pretty in their own right. Next up, we have a pop art card of Sam Bellamy. Very interesting. And then our relic, we actually got a dual relic from Blackbeard and Sir Francis Drake. So this looks to be some sort of manuscript or book relic, but nonetheless, pretty interesting. So that is it for our Pieces of the Past Pirate Edition. Thanks for joining, and happy collecting.